To erase a special part of wire segments and also cut the connecting wires, the trimming wire tool is used. To do this, I'm going to select the Trim Wire tool from the Edit Wires, Wire Numbers panel of the Schematic tab. In the command line, you will be requested to select the wire to trim. Select the wire segment to erase it from the drawing. Next, press Enter or Escape to terminate the tool. Choosing Trimming Wire tool can be done by writing the AE Trim in the command line. The selection box will appear and you will be prompted to select the wire. Select the wire to be erased. As you see, after selecting Trim Wire tool in the command sequence, the other options are available. The first one is Fence. If you intend to remove multiple wires simultaneously, write F and press Enter. You will be prompted to specify the first fence point. Now specify the first point. Again, you will be requested to specify the second point and so on. Note that by choosing fence, you will be able to ignore the other middle wire. Press Enter to remove the wires. As you can see, by using fence, you will be able to remove several wires. It means more than one wire at a time. Another option is Crossing. Again, select Wire tool. As you see, the crossing option in the command line. Write C and press Enter. You will be prompted to specify the first corner of your window. Again, specify the second corner, and your window will be drawn. All the wires have been touched by the window will be erased simultaneously. Also, wires can be removed by Erase command. The difference between Wire Trim tool and Erase command is that when you use Wire Trim tool, you also be able to remove wire numbers, and dots at a time. But using Erase command, just remove wires separately. Now I want to show you an example. Write Erase in the command line and then press Enter. Select the wire. As you can see, the dot has not been removed. Now I want to just restore the removed wire and erase it again by Wire Trim tool. So press Ctrl Z key to see the erased wire again. I'm going to select Wire tool and remove the previous wires by fencing. To do that, write F and press Enter. Then select the wires, and now you can see that the wires and also dots have been removed.